Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about the BMW M3 competition sedan car. We will provide you a complete review about BMW M3 competition sedan 2023. If you are watching our video for the first time, make sure to like and subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon for new latest car. So let's dive into the video without wasting your time. BMW M3 Competition Sedan 2023 is a coupe car. It gets the warranty of 4-year 50,000-mile basics, 12-year unlimited mile correction, 4-year 50,000-mile derivant, 3-year 36,000-mile maintenance, and the 4-year unlimited mile roadside assistance. The available color of the variant is Alpine White, Yellow Black, and the spear metallic, gray metallic, frozen metallic, white metallic, and the white spear metallic. It is made in Germany. Performance: BMW M3 Competition Sedan 2023 provide a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline 6 gas engine that produce 503 HP, 6,250 RPM horsepower, 479 lb-ft, 2,750 RPM of torque. It has 6 cylinders. The top speed of the car is 155 mph and the acceleration time is 0.60 mph in just 3.8 seconds. It gets the power steering with rock and ponnon, and the minimum turning radius of its steering is 14 feet, as well as its front suspension is strut and the rear suspension is multi-link. The tire size of this car is P275 front and the tire size is 285 rear. Tire and wheel size is 19 in 9.5 inches on front wheel and the 20 in 10.5 rear wheels. Gasoline is a fuel type that gets the mileage of 16 mpg in a city and a 23 mpg on the highway. The dimension of this car is 189.1 inches in length, 74.3 inches in width, 54.8 inches in height, as the wheelbase is 12.5 inches and the curb weight of the variant is 3,880 lbs and ground clearance is 4.7 inches. BMW M3 competition sedan price $72,800 US.